students, welcome to maths class. In chapter linear equations, we have already done introduction to linear equation in one variable, shifting rules, simple linear equations in one variable with two operations. Now, today we will continue with word problems based on linear equation. Students, as we know, while solving word problems, reading of statement is very important. So here we are having few words which will help you to choose one mathematical operation out of 4. Here for plus, words will come added to, increased by, more than, plus, total, sum. For minus, subtract, minus, diminished, reduced, exceed, less than, difference. For multiply, multiply, product, by, of, times. For divide, divide, quotient, upon, over. So these words you have to remember. Now students, let's start with examples. Here, first example is a number increased by 5 gives 43. Find the number. So here we have to find the number. So first step is let the number. Here let the number be x. Step 2. As I have told you, reading of statement is very important. So here I will write a number increased by 5 gives 43. Now let's see the meaning. A number. Here I have let number x. Increased by. Increased by means sign of plus. 5. Here I will write 5 gives 43. It means equals to 43. Now we have got one linear equation. Now here log the variable. Now we know plus will change into minus. So in the next step, here it comes x equals to 43 minus 5. When you will subtract, here it comes x equals to 38. Hence the required number is 38. Let's see one more example. Here a number diminished by 10 gives 40. Find the number. Again, step 1, we have to find the number. So let the number be x. Now reading of statement. A number diminished by 10 gives 40. So here a number that is x. Diminished means minus by 10. So here I will write 10. Gives 40. That means equals to 40. So x minus 10 equals to 40. So here linear equation formed. Now log the variable. Here we know minus will change to plus. So what will come in the next step? X equals to 40 plus 10. So x equals to 50. Hence the required number is 50. Now let's see next example. Here 5/7 of a number is 10. find the number. Again, what we have to find out? Number. So step 1 is let the number be x. Now reading of statement. Here 5/7 of a number is 10. Now we have done fraction. So we know 5/7 means 5 upon 7. Of means multiply. A number that we have taken x is 10 equals to 10. Now 5 upon 7x equals to 10. Here log the variable. Now simple, here you have to remember, when we will shift fraction towards the other side, we will reciprocate it. So here it comes, x equals to 10 multiply 7 upon 5. Now we know what we have to do. Cutting. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So here we are left with x equals to 2 multiply 7. Hence the required number is 14. So let's see the next example. Here a number when divided by 5 is reduced by 20. Find the number. Again, we have to find the number. So step 1, let the number be x. Now reading of statement. Here what is statement? A number when divided by 5 is reduced by 20. So here we know a number means x, divided means divided symbol, by 5. Here we have written 5 is equals to. Reduced by 20. Here number is reduced by 20. That means if number is x, reduced means minus, and here it comes 20. So here what will come in the next step? That x upon 5. We know divide we can write in fraction also. X upon 5 equals to x minus 20. Now 5 we are dividing here. When we will shift it towards the other side, here multiply sign will come. So here x equals to 5 bracket x minus 20. Now here you will apply arrow method. 5 will multiply with both. So here it comes, x equals to 5 into x, that is 5x, minus 5 multiplied by 20, here it comes 100. So next step is collect like terms. Try to shift smaller number towards the bigger number. Here as you can see, no number means here we are having 1. So when we will shift 1x towards other side, here it comes 5x minus 1x. And when we will shift 100 towards the other side, here it comes plus 100. Now 5x minus x equals to 4x. So 4x equals to 100. Here no sign between 4 and x. It means here we are having sign of multiply. So log the variable, multiply will change into divide. So x equals to 100 upon 4. In the next step, we will do cutting. 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. X equals to 25. Hence, the required number is 25. So students, let's see one more example. Here, a number exceeds 20% of itself by 24. Find the number. Here, first step, let the number be x. Now, reading of statement. A number exceeds 20% of itself by 24. Here a number means x. Exceeds 20% of itself. That means minus 20% of x by 24. It means equals to 24. Now we know percentage means upon 100. So here it comes. X upon 1, we know if denominator is not present, that means denominator equals to 1. Minus 20 upon 100, x equals to 24 upon 1. Why we have changed these numbers in fractions? Because here we are having 20 upon 100 and we are going to take common LCM. So with 1 we know LCM is equals to the number. So here 100 will come as LCM. So here we are having 1. So we will multiply x by 100 minus 20x. We know here 100 and in table of 100, 100 comes on 1. So it will remain same. And equals to 24. We know here 1 is there. So we will multiply it by 100. Now because equals to sign is there, so we will drop the LCM. In the next step we will write 100x minus 20x equals to 2400. Now we are having like terms here. So 100 minus 20 equals to 80x. 80x equals to 2400. No sign between these two. So here sign of multiply. Now log the variable. Here 80 will go towards other side with the sign of divide. So here it comes, x equals to 2400 upon 80. 0 cut by 0. In table of 8, 240 will come at 30. So x equals to 30. Hence the required number is 30. So students, today we have done how to solve word problems in linear equations. So I hope with the help of this video, you all will be able to do the related sums given in your SNAP homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.